Alright, this video we're going to create RSS to Bitly. Yeah, please create Zap by clicking the orange button. Search for RSS by Zapier. New item in feed. Copy, paste it in here. Click continue. Test your trigger. Click continue. Search for Bitly. Click Bitly. Choose an event. Create bitlink. Click continue. Sign in your Bitly account. Click sign in with your Bitly account. Right? Click log in. Click allow. Bitly account is connected. You can proceed to continue. Under your group, you can choose the value, and it's automatically detected. URL, that's the link. Title, it's a title snippet. On your domain, click the bit.ly. Click continue. Test action. Yep. Click publish. Publish and turn on. Rename your Zap RSS to Bitly. Hit enter or click here, then go back to check if it's there. Right. So that's pretty much it. Thank you.